Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll take you through how you can add recurring reminders on your iPhone using the calendar app. When we are done doing this, we will also learn how to delete them. So first of all, open your calendars app, tap the plus sign at the top right corner, and from there you want to tap on the reminder. Give your reminder a name or a title in the title box. So in my case, I'll type lectures. So I want to create a reminder for my lecture days. Tap on the date to select a start date. So in this case, I'm going to select the 5th of March 2026. So that will be my beginning date or the start date. From there, you want to tap on time to set a time for your reminder or your recurring reminder. In my case, I will make it 7 a.m. So scroll the time, the hours, and then the minutes to set your time for your reminder. From there, you want to tap on the repeat since we are setting up a recurring reminder. And then you can select from daily, weekdays, weekends, and the rest of the options there. So in my case, I'll select weekdays for this particular reminder I'm setting up. Next up, you want to tap the end repeat to set an end date for your reminder, or you can keep it at never, which is the default. But if you have an end date, you can tap the on date, select a date you want your reminder to cease or to end. But in my case, I will leave it at the default, which is never, so that the reminder keeps reminding me for as long as I want. Tap the save button at the top right, and on this screen you want to tap the continue, tap allow, and then from here you would have set up your reminder nicely in your calendar. So you can see it begins from the 5th. You have the lecture reminder under the 5th, and then for the rest of the weekdays in the other weeks, you can see the reminder has also been added to those particular days, except the holidays. You can scroll down to see that it's been repeated in all the other weekdays. So let's look at how you can delete the reminders. So first of all, tap on your calendar and then tap on one of the reminders. Tap the edits. The next thing you want to do is to tap the repeats and then select the never option. Save your settings and then tap the delete reminder at the bottom of your screen. Tap delete reminder again to save your settings, and you can see that all the repeated reminders have been removed from this calendar nicely and very easily. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.